Okay, what's going on, Aquarius? This is. Let's get to it. I may cuss, but I don't curse. We're gonna get that situated first. We're gonna get into this reading for y'all. Hope everybody's doing well out there. If not, you'll get there. You'll get there. You know, just because I said so, you're gonna reach the feeling. Trust me when I tell you. Some of y'all are there though. I'm feeling it's y'all season now, right? It sure is. Some of y'all are there. Y'all feel it's y'all season. Y'all about to act bad. Bad meaning good, you know. Unless y'all really want to be out there on that stripper pole and all that. Let me stop. Boy, Spirit, guide me with the wisdom, the discernment to interpret these cards. Starting with this. The Magus in reverse. Magician. Followed by Prince of Cups. Prince of Cups. Which in traditional times would be the Knight, y'all. The Knight of Cups. And what else do we have? 3-card draw. I ain't gonna hold y'all long. Just hang out. Just hang out. I'm not gonna hold you long. I'm serious. Pause. The 3 of Pentacles in reverse. This card is famous today already. I only did a few readings, but okay. If that's what it is, that's what it is, Spirit. We riding out. 2 of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Okay. So this is what's happening right here. I pretty much feel this, see this, sense this, everything included. So there is something getting in the way of you doing something that you're good at. You know this, so you're actually seeking counsel to find out exactly what is that thing that you're good at. And I'm not saying that you have low self-esteem, Aquarius. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying you are looking for outside validation, though. Not to you know the negative connotation that's attached to people wanting. Sometimes people want recognition for what it is that they do, you know, and if they don't get it, then they won't ever understand if they're doing it correctly at all, you know. So I'm getting that this is something that has been lying dormant within you. This is something that you've been thinking that you could do, should do, would do, just did not do. So now you're taking it upon yourself to actually seek to speak bars to someone about this thing, and you're looking to feel something, despite you being an air sign, or despite this reading being around air intellectual energy. You're seeking to feel something. I don't know what that has to do with it. I feel like maybe you've been too heady about something lately. It's about this thing. I feel like it's a hobby. It's either a hobby or a craft, like a trade. It could even be your social skills. But you haven't put yourself out there to the point where you think you've made it. You understand what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what's the bar for you. Like, what's the measuring bar for you is what is being asked here. That's what you're going to get answered. What is a measuring bar for what it is that you do? What it is that you're about to do anyway? Because this Magician in reverse is telling me that there's stagnant creative energy. You're not doing it at this moment in time. So I feel like you're trying to get geared up for it. You're trying to get excited. You're trying to get hyped up. You might even be looking for a cheerleader of some sort. If you can't get that right off the bat, you're definitely going to be looking for a consultant of some type, of some sort. One other person too. This is not no crowd thing. In fact, 3 is a crowd. Because I got the 3 of Pentacles out here. So you're going to be looking at like, listen, I got to do this for me, is your stance on this. I'm doing this for me. I'm not looking to be putting y'all on. Like, this is what I'm sensing. You're not the type that's going to be like, yo, once I get on, I ain't putting nobody else on. That's not your style. But your style right now is, I need to do this for me to make sure that I'm even doing this right. And then once I get on, then I'm putting y'all on. Because, some people could include others while they're doing something, especially something that's new. And then those people could get to speaking to you and talk you out of it. They could say something like, "Oh, don't you think you're too old for that? Or don't you think you're too young for that? Or don't you think, you should put on more weight to do that, or lose weight to do that?" And then all of these things get tossed around. And naturally, right, that's what happens with conversations. You bounce ideas and words off of each other. That's what I'm thinking is also dealing with this retrieval from words so much, and just more about how you feel about the words. Why the Prince of Cups is out here. Because you don't want these people to throw you off. And I know that there have been enough times in your life that when you've brought this thing up that I'm talking about, someone has talked you out of it. You don't gotta admit it publicly to me, that's cool. But in your downtime, when you reflect, just remember the words that those people said. Now, you may say, "Oh, I only did it because I didn't want to do it because I wasn't sure." And maybe there's some truth to that too. But what I'm also saying is there's truth to the words being the catalyst for you not to do it. Because I got a feeling you're going to do it. And when you do, you're going to realize that the things that those people were saying did have an impact on you. And again, I see you winning from this in some sort of way. However, you might have the attitude of, "I want to put y'all on, but I remember what y'all said." So now the way for me to plug you in is going to be like, this is the way, this is the plug, but you got to plug yourself in. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not going to put you on. I'm not going to refer you because I don't 100% know how you feel about me doing this. Because before you said I wasn't the one, now you see me doing it, you're intrigued, you want to know how you can get put on too. Well, look, there goes the number, there goes their business card. You call them, you make an appointment. That's what I'm seeing your attitude is going to be, and not harshly. It's just like you also are going to, You're also going to value the consultancy that you get. So you don't want to just put anybody on and they don't know. You know what I'm saying? You might even want them to seek the consultancy that you got so that they can get the word from the source that really got you to do that thing. With that being said, I'm out.